Hello everyone. Today I'll be showing you how to make a sword, a low polygon sword in Maya. If you have any trouble, just make sure to slow down the video on YouTube and go from there. Alright. So so to start off, you have to select the cube as a primitive, and then click these sliders to adjust the amount of lines on the axis. Um, next you can right click and select the type of way to select the each thing. So now I clicked faces, and then you go over to the left here, which includes the different tools for movement of an object. So the one that I just selected is the scale tool, and then the one above that is rotate and then move. Alright, and then what I'm going to do is press Control E, and now I can extrude. Now this tool that I'm using now is the move tool, but you can always use the extrude tool as well, and that's pretty much how you use that's pretty much how you make anything low poly, is just extruding heaps of times. But make sure to have lots of lines to be able to edit from, so you can so you don't have to make more. So this is the hilt right now that I'm making, and yeah, so I'm just going to speed this up so it'll be quicker, and again, yeah, slow things down if you get lost. Alright, so here it is. So I hope you have made something that you like, because if you don't, that's fine. But just remember that if you wanna develop a skill in anything, you can't just do it straight away, because you need to developing skills takes time. So remember that if something looks bad at first, try and make something else, and then um after you've developed your skill in like multiple times for multiple other objects, then you can maybe come back for your older pieces and then work on that. So yeah, all right. Um, thank you for watching. I'll see you later.